I just wanted to talk to you today about what we discussed last week.
Who do you call when you got a problem with the phone or you need to make a change or something?
Oh, I got a phone guy.
Hey,
Phone guy, huh? What happens if he's not available?
Oh, my phone guy? My phone guy's always available.
Really?
You don't need a phone guy, you need a phone company. WiLogic will install your new phones, train your staff, and be available to answer all your questions. Call WiLogic today.
not today.